How's it going, everyone? Welcome to week 11. We're going to talk about the medical record. Really interesting, the medical record. So, healthcare organizations, any type of patient care delivery has to have, of course, documentation of the patient being there. And associated with that is the medical record. So, I think you're going to get a lot out of this presentation. It's not super long, but it goes over some interesting details that I think can be helpful for you. Meaningful use is also something that CMS is really big on. So take a look at that. It's the mandate, of course, from the federal government to initiate EHR, electronic health record systems, in organizations. I was actually part of this at a small hospital, changing from paper records to electronic records. It was a little difficult and challenging in a way due to the complexity behind making sure all the information was in the electronic system, and then getting providers to realize documentation on the electronic system was different. It wasn't just writing down notes now, pen and paper. You actually had to dictate and type. So lots of differences, lots of interesting components that I think you can take advantage of in this module. Also take a look at week 11 review. Make sure you type your information in there, reply to students, and you should be good to go. Continue to work on your paper that's due soon. I'm happy to take a look at your status so far in regards to your draft. I'll give you pointers. I know some of you have sent me your draft, and they've looked really, really good. So I've given you the approval to go ahead and have them ready for submission. So if you want ease of mind, if you want any help, if I can be any assistance to you in regards to the paper and presentation, let me know. Feel free to email me. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great week, and I'm looking forward to seeing your papers really soon.